Hi, welcome to Alliance Communications. It never fails, you sit down to watch your favorite show and you have no video signal, or your power goes out overnight during a thunderstorm and you wake up and none of your TVs are working. Today I am going to guide you through some different troubleshooting suggestions to help get your services working even faster. My name is Shannon and I work in customer service at Alliance. During normal business hours, I am here to answer your calls and help you during those different situations. Even after hours, we have support waiting for you. Sometimes though, you might be able to fix your problem even faster on your own. I'm going to share some secrets and tips to help you get your services easily working again. If you have a digital cable box that sits by your TV that looks like this, it would be your DVR or set-top box. Depending on how your TV is connected, there might be several cords that go between the set-top box, your TV, and the jack or power outlet. Anytime you might be missing channels, no guide information is loading, or you have no video signal, and your other TVs are working, the set-top box might just need to be rebooted. To reboot your set-top box, you simply remove the power cord from the back of the box. Make sure the lights go off on the front, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. It will take a few minutes to reboot, and during this time you will see different pictures and the word amino appear on your TV screen. Be patient as it reboots, and once it is finished, your picture and sound should reappear. If it doesn't, give us a call and we will get you taken care of. If your TV has a message that the video signal is unavailable and you have tried rebooting your DVR or set-top box, it might just be on the wrong input. To check or change your input, you can use either the remote we provided you or the remote that came with your TV. If you use the remote provided by Alliance Communications, you will start by pressing the TV button. Once the TV mode key has been selected, you will press Input. A list should appear on your TV screen with the current source selected or highlighted. You will continue to press Input until the next source is highlighted. Go through the list one by one until you find your picture and sound. The list doesn't appear for a long period of time, so if it disappears, just press Input again to see the list. If this doesn't fix your problem, give us a call and we will help you. If you had a power outage, if there was a storm, or none of your TVs are working, there might be a bigger problem than just the set-top box, DVR, or input. There could be issues with the cyber power or switch equipment that powers your video service. This equipment is typically located in the utility room or next to your electrical panel. Your cyber power box is your battery pack. These are a few different examples of what you might see at your house. Once you find the right box, look for lights. There should be green lights if your equipment is working and powered the way it should be. If there are no lights or the lights are amber or red, it could be a power issue. To check the power source, follow the cord to the outlet or power strip. Is it a GFI outlet? If it is, it will look similar to this. Press the GFI reset button in the middle and now check for power or lights on your cyber power box. If lights are on and green, check your service to see if it's now working. If not, call us and we will get it figured out for you. Once you check the cyber power box, the other box to look for is the switch. This will be a smaller black box that will say D-Link or ComTrend and should be located in the same area in the utility room or near the electrical panel. This box provides digital video signal for your TV. If none of your TVs are working, check this box for lights. If there are no lights, which should be flashing, check the power source. You can also try rebooting the switch by unplugging the power cord and waiting a few seconds and plugging it back in. Once lights resume, check your service again. If it's still out, give us a call. Thank you for spending time with us today. We are here to help in whatever way is most effective for you. Please reach out with any questions or concerns. We've got you covered.